Okay, the boat is being curiously prepared, vacuumed. We've been working on this for weeks to try and get everything ready. This is going to be the new radio console. All the radios and things and the GPS is going to fit in here. As you can see, still 12 hours before departure, everything is still in a million pieces. But only wiring left, so we should make it. Okay, now we're in the advanced stages of final preparation. And we've got to just replace the grease nipple that's missing on this vertical column here. John, if you can lift the motor, I can quickly lock it into place. These are new down locks that we made. And they clip into position automatically. But our problem lies here. There is a grease nipple missing in this area, which is going to fill up with water if we don't replace it. And that's not a good place for water. And this, new props out the box, this should give us about 20% better fuel economy, because the other props are cavitating badly. That's another little mod we put in, a step, an assist step, so when you on the sand getting into the boat, it's not a big problem. And then this is our little platform to get us onto the boat easily. We've gone to the trouble of fitting high rate fuel filters and water traps, because Mozambique can be a deadly place for water problems, water in the fuel, and all the other systems check out. It's Sunday 13 December and we've spent the whole day trying to fix Jean's car that is rusted as hell. Turns out the rust is much worse than we thought. The usual story, tip of the iceberg. And these are some of the repairs that have been carried out. Fiberglass, and a lot of sanding to still be done. Here's more of the same. This whole panel here had to be fiberglass because it had severe denting. What we've decided now to do is we're going to fit this fairing permanently so that it's part of the vehicle, because the front is really quite badly damaged. This is the foam, which is going to be fiberglass over to form the bond between the body and the fairing. This is the kind of damage that we've had to put up with. It's quite very scary. Got to build up the body panel because the side of the vehicle was bumped and pushed back. You can't really do much about it being pushed back except to try and build it up. More of the same. By the back doors, this is where water runs down the inside of the body and then it's trapped, and then you have this problem with corrosion. It goes right down here like that, and underneath even bad. Now into the boot. This is now the repairs from the top or the inside of the boot. Still see the light shining, and there it goes up over the wheel arch. Same this side. Starts right at the top, comes down. This is where the spare wheel sits. And everything that was rusted right through there. Everything had to be completely replaced there. We also have started working on the brake system. We had these hubs and discs off, new bearings, stripped the calipers, new seals, the usual drama of trying to find spares for old cars, etc, etc, etc. Oh, and this is the new GMC Typhoon which we got for a really good price without an engine. It's a 19, I don't know, late 80s I think model. It features permanent 4-wheel drive, and it takes a V6 engine, ideal for towing the boat. A real kick-ass little vehicle. Floor shift, automatic transmission, leather seats. The only thing that didn't come with this vehicle is a blonde. That's better. Full shift.